Right, guys, we are in Disney at the Marvel Hotel. Right, let's go in and see what the room's like. Let's go. Here we go. Never been to... Oh, my word. How nice is this? So this is the Marvel New York Hotel. It is situated in Disneyland, Paris. Right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get straight into this part. Right, so our luggage is already in. We've got a lovely wardrobe with an iron. Guys, there is an iron here. We specifically asked for a terrace room. Is that a guy outside? There's a guy outside our room there. We've got, a goodie bag. We'll have a look at that at the end of the video. A safe. We've got loads of drawer space. Now, you could have had a bed, but we asked for a cot for Vinny. I thought it was a bit better for him to have a cot. Now, in the bathroom, we've got a bath with a shower. We've got a lovely big double sink, loads of mirrors. We've got all the smellies to use as well. You know, the tea, coffee, sugars, all there to wash our hair. We've got the lovely toilet. Let's have a look. Yep, Spider-Man's not been in there. Right, let's get round the corner. And we've got the beds now. Oh, my word. We've got two big double beds. That means one each, I think. I love this mirror. There's no television. No, I've noticed. There's no television. Can you believe that? I can't believe there's a big, massive mirror, but there's no telly. We've got a lovely Lavazana blue machine with some water. Again, you've got all your stuff there. And I've just been informed then, this actually is a television, is it? So you press the on... Oh, welcome, Family Brown. Love that. Nice touch. Right, over this section, we've got two lovely seats where we can sit there and read books. And there he is. Spider-Man. We asked for a Spider-Man room. And we asked for quick access out. So let's see how quick it is if you do get a terrace room. Let's open this. You do have to pay a little bit more, but apparently it's worth it to get out there quicker. Look at that. You come straight out onto this section. There we go. Big lake over there. A big Iron Man statue. There is the hotel. There it is. Loving that. And you know, guys, there's only one thing left to do. And you know what that is, don't you? It is the one and only, the famous bed splash. Are we going to go left or right? I think we're going to go this one. And there's Ant-Man and the Wasp as well. Loving that. Right, guys, here we go. Big bed splash. Oh, Merry Christmas from us. Absolutely gorgeous bed. Here's the gang. Here they are. Here they come. And if anyone's wondering where Lucy's been, she's been to get a key. And she's booked in tonight for the restaurant as well. We were struggling to get in the room as well because you have to use your phone to get in.